Okay, so number 4, it's given 2 single vision glasses in minus cylinder, determine the base curve of each. So basically you're recording 4 different things. If it's minus cylinder, the 2 curves are on the back. So you're going to find the first curve on the front surface, which would be the base curve. So with the base curve, the one thing you have to be careful of is you don't want to put the lens clock at an angle, because you will get it wrong. It needs to be completely perpendicular, straight flat up against it.
Okay.
Okay? And you want to be kind of sort of centered. And then make sure you're reading the right number. Do you have one of the lens clocks? Because this is my lens clock and this is going to confuse the rest of them.
Oh, because yours is different.
Mine is different. So just make sure you're reading the right number. Make sure you're putting, and first of all, it's going to be a plus because it's the front. Base curve on the front is, or every curve on the front is plus in all the glasses we have here.
And forgive me if this is redundant, but did you tell them how she gave you a big hint by saying they're minus cell form?
Yeah, that's right.
So it's really easy. You don't have to think about, changing it.
So, don't try and rush through, and I'm not sure, maybe it's, you want to try and hold it really steady too, because I could easily change it. It's changing by 4 diopters right now, and I'm not moving it a whole heck of a lot. So really try and be straight. So this is a 2, this is a 2, 2 1/4, and then go with the other 2.
So you read the black because that's plus, right?
Maybe. I don't know what those are, but yeah. Okay. You make sure you read the right number. That's the most important. So I have my own.
They said during the day, yeah. You can check with security to check
so
the exact
all the
time.
glasses are in plus on the front?
Those are, yeah, plus. The front curve is always plus. Because it's a minus cylinder lens anyway, you also know it's only 1 curve on the front. So on the lens clocks here, it's the black number. And make sure you read the black number, not the red number, and assume it's the red.
And which direction does it go in?
It could go either which way, but you could see the answer is here.
Bring it back and bring it in.
Oh.
75, is it 725, or 925?
Okay, we read the inside number of this?
You read so in these lens clocks, you're going to read the number that is actually the closest to the center dial. Okay? And the other thing you need to make sure is know where the 0 is and know in which direction it goes, because it's very easy to say a 175 is a 2 1/4.
Yes.
So make sure you're reading from the right direction. It's easy when it's right on a number, but it's when it's between, you got to be careful.
Also, make sure you put a plus. Base curves are almost always going to be plus. And for the practical, they're always going to be plus. So write plus. A lot of times students lose score, you can still just put a number down. Plus.
Okay, that was number 4.